Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Calendar in a web browser while signed into your account. Create a new calendar and name it for the team. Add a clear description and set the correct time zone. Choose a distinct color so everyone recognizes it quickly. Click Share with specific people and enter each user email address. Select one of 3 permission levels before sending the invitation. These steps establish a shared calendar with basic settings and initial permissions for collaborators. Open Calendar Settings and choose the Shared Calendar from the left column. Scroll to access permissions and share with specific people to manage users. Set permission to see only free/busy, make changes to events, or make changes and manage sharing. Grant owner or editor rights when someone needs full control of events and sharing. Remember, you can change or remove permissions anytime from the same settings panel. Use careful permission choices to avoid create events on the shared calendar and add guests by their email addresses. Set event visibility to public or private depending on the content. Enable notifications and choose email or mobile alerts for every attendee. Use color coding for event types so the team scans schedules easily. Adjust guest permissions to allow inviting others or modifying the event. Sync the shared calendar to mobile apps and consider delegated access for admins who manage events daily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.